Hello everyone. The e-commerce Country Product Restriction app helps users to restrict their product availability for the specific countries. So for example, if product A is available in India but it is unavailable in Germany. So in that case, this module will disable the payment option at the time of checkout. Now let's see how this module works. So for that I'm going to create a product. So for creating product we need to get into the inventory. Under that we can see the products. So let me get into the product which I have already created. Okay. So here you can see I have created a new product where I'm enabling the option named available in the particular countries. Once you have enabled this option, you can see and country configurations right away here. User can select the countries here where the product is available. If the user not select any of the countries, then the product will available for all the countries. Okay. So from here for this product I have selected 2 countries. So once this is done, we need to complete some website form configuration. So for that we need to get into the website. Under configurations we can see an website. So there are 2 websites in this database. So let's get into the first one. So once you have installed this module, you can see an country configurations tab. Let me get into that. User can select the countries which will appearing in the country selection of the checkbox which is available in the checkout page. User can also add and custom messages right away here in the checkout message and cart message which will appearing as a warning when the product is not available. So once this configuration is done, so let's get into the website page. Now we are in the website page of Mitchell Admin Login. Now let's get into the shop where we can search for a book which we have created now. Okay, so let's add this particular product into the cart. You can see the product will be added into the cart. Let's get into it, where you can see that not available in your country is also available at the time of adding into the cart. That is, if the product is not available in the user country, then it will display a warning in the product cart line. In case the user is a guest user, system will not allow him to get into a cart page. It will show a warning once he have entered into the shipping address. So let's process the checkout here. So in this page, user can see that this particular product is not available in your country. So when I get into billing and shipping, okay, in this page also we can see the same warning which will be available here in the billing page as well. Okay. And also like the same way we can see the same in the payment page. The payment button will be disabled in case any product is not available for the shipping address country. Okay. Now let's change an country which is available in the website. So let's get back to the website page. So we can see that we have added the countries Afghanistan, Australia and India for the website. Okay, so for here in this book product you can see I have added a country like Australia and India. So for this product it will be available only for Australia and India, not for Afghanistan. So we need to remove this one. Okay, so in this website it will show only Australia, India products, not other countries. So let's get into an website page. Okay, now you can see the pay now option is available. Now every user can click on the pay now option to pay whether it is in the India. Now user can see the order will be placed without any issues. So in this way we can make use of this module to restrict their product availability for the specific countries. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. To see more about and website related modules, check our BrowseInfo playlist to see all newly updated website features that we have. Thanks for watching.